Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So we will talk about Instagram application, and mostly or especially I would like to show you the way how to add the Google Map location into your Instagram account. So first thing you have to do is just go open your Google Map here, and then you just need to pick a random place or the place that you want to add into your Instagram bio. Let's say I would like to use this random area, and then the next thing you need to do is just go take a look on this side. So you just need to go click them. Now you just need to like scrolling down until you found the copy, and then you just need to go click it. Now you just need to go back into your home screen and open your Instagram application. Wait until it's perfectly open, and when it's open you just need to go open your profile, and you just need to take a look on this side. There will be an edit profile, so you just need to go click them. Now there will be a links right here, so you just need to go click this side and go click this add external link and paste the link that you have been copied from the Google Maps, and then you just need to go click done. And this will be displayed below your bio. So whenever someone or other account click this link, they will be generated into the Google Maps right away. So that is the way how to add the Google Map application into Instagram account. Hopefully today's tutorial is really helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and let's see you again into the other tutorial.